stories often told from the breathless for everyone to know. A stories go late one day in a room full of fate. Says that all they need to hold everything, they'll find out once you're out of the way. And so you settle in for another one, for time